In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disable tooltips in Tableau, a task you can easily complete within 5 minutes. Tooltips in Tableau are quite helpful for providing additional information about the data on your charts and graphs. However, sometimes you might want to remove them to simplify your view or to avoid confusion. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open the Tableau Public app. This can be done easily by locating and launching the application on your computer. Tableau Public is a fantastic tool that allows you to share interactive data visualizations and dashboards, and accessing it is your first step. Next, access the worksheet where you want to remove or disable the tooltip. You might have multiple worksheets in your Tableau workbook, but focus on the one that contains the tooltip information you wish to modify. This ensures we're working on the correct data set right from the start. Once you've identified the worksheet, open it. This is quite straightforward. Just click on the worksheet to bring it up. You should now see all the visual data and the associated tooltips on your screen. It is essential to have the correct worksheet open to avoid any unintentional changes to other datasets. Now, navigate to the worksheet menu found at the top of your screen. This menu is the hub of various options and settings related to your worksheet, providing you with access to multiple features including tooltips. From the worksheet menu, select the tooltip option. Clicking on this option will open a dialog box designed to manage your tooltip settings. This dialog box is a crucial interface where you'll make the necessary changes. In the open dialog box, locate the checkbox that reads Show Tooltip. Unchecking this box will effectively disable tooltips for the selected worksheet. When you uncheck this, it tells Tableau not to show any tooltips when hovering over marks in your view. With the box unchecked, tooltips will no longer appear as you hover over your data points. This behavior is locked in as soon as you exit the dialog box by clicking OK or Apply. By following these steps, you have successfully removed or disabled tooltips for your selected worksheet in Tableau. Remember, if you ever wish to re-enable tooltips, you can easily do so by returning to the same dialog box and rechecking the Show Tooltip option. This flexibility allows you to manage your data presentation dynamically based on your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your data visualization tasks in Tableau.